Thinking about starting an online business but feeling that knot in your stomach? Yeah, I've been there too. And you know what? That fear you're feeling, it's more common than you think. But here's the crazy part. It's also your biggest opportunity. Most people let fear stop them in their tracks. They think, what if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? But what if, stay with me here, what if that fear is exactly what you need to succeed? When I started my online business, I had every reason to be terrified. 6 kids, no business experience, and a whole lot of self-doubt. But I didn't let that fear hold me back. Instead, I turned it into my secret weapon. The truth is, fear is a sign that what you're about to do matters. It's your brain's way of saying, hey, pay attention. This could change everything. And guess what? It did. In just 17 months, I went from scared and unsure to a millionaire with a thriving online business. Not because I was fearless, but because I used that fear to fuel my journey. So here's my challenge to you. Stop letting fear hold you back. Instead, use it to push you forward. The Legacy Builder Blueprint is designed to take you from zero to success, even if you're starting from scratch like I did. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you feel ready. Start now with the fear and watch how it transforms into confidence and success. Click the link below and let's turn that fear into your greatest success story. Your future self will thank you.